Foggy windows. Here's what you need to do. Having your view marred by a foggy window is annoying. It could also be a sign that something is going on with the glass that needs your attention. Wiping the fog off is the obvious first step, but what do you do next? You can start by using this guide to check for the most common causes of fogged-up windows so you can address the problem right away. Check for interior condensation. If the moisture is on the inside of your home or office building, then it might just be from your normal activities. A good example of this is the glass in your bathroom fogging up after a hot shower. Kitchen areas are another space where this might be normal, especially if you've been steaming vegetables or boiling water. All of the moisture in the air needs to go somewhere, and it tends to accumulate on the glass. Interior condensation can often be dealt with quickly by ventilating the area or by running a fan. If it continues, it may be time to check the seal around the window. Fog that only builds up on a certain section of the pane is a telltale sign of a broken seal. Inspect the outside panes. If the moisture is on the outside of the window, then it is likely due to the outside temperature being lower than the dew point of the indoor air. This often happens on cooler mornings, but it can also occur on days when the outdoor humidity is high. Take condensation between the panes seriously. Multi-pane units are designed to keep insulated gases between them and moisture out. If you see fog building up inside this type of window, it indicates a broken seal. This requires replacement since this means the gas has escaped. There could also be a problem with the frame or a crack in the glass, which will just get worse without a repair. Foggy windows can lead to serious problems, such as mold and wood rot, that can ruin your home or commercial building. If you're certain that it isn't just normal steam from cooking or showering causing the problem, then call us to schedule an inspection. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.